Hi friend, today we'll write the program to find name start with m in the given list of string using Java 8 feature. Let's first write the class name, then main method, then write the list of string. List string name list is equal to array dot as list. Let's write the name of the Mahesh, Rajesh in the double quotes, Rajesh, Manjesh and Suresh. Then we type the list string filter name list. First we import the list using Java utility method. Then method name get filter output name list name start with m. Then create the method of get filter output. Then use for loop for each iterative method. Here we use Java 8 feature. A string name is, then print the name, then again write the list string. List is the type of a string, then filter name list is equal to new array list. Then use for loop for each iterative method. For a string name list, if name, then use if else statement. If name dot start with prefix is m, then print name, print those name which is start with m. That is the motive of this program. Print the name and then return the filter name list, and save the program. And here is new array list. Array list we have to import using Java utility method. Save the program and run the program. Mahesh at Manjesh in this list is start with m. That's his output. That's it.